Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so super excited because I'm participating in another collaboration, and this time this collab is hosted by Deco Easy and My Happy Home. So I would encourage you guys to be sure to go over and visit both their channels. They both have beautiful home decor that they show in their home and projects, and so I will have the links to their channel listed down below in my description box. Now for this challenge, this is the fall wreath challenge. They asked us to make a fall wreath of any kind of your liking, but you must include an item that's thrifted from the Goodwill, from the Salvation Army, from a resale shop, yard sale, however. So for this challenge, I decided to, actually I was with my family out at the farmer's market, and I found some pine cones that I purchased for $1. I found a little bag of pine cones for $1. So I purchased those, and that's what I'm going to be incorporating into my beautiful wreath, as you see here behind me. So all of the other items for this wreath were from the Dollar Tree, except that one bag of pine cones, which is what I used to meet the challenge requirements. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I put together this beautiful wreath, then keep watching. guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, be sure to give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It really means so much to me. Alrighty guys, I will see you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.